That's a bit ridiculous, isn't it? Oh my god. I just want my hair to be out of my face, because I don't know how people do their makeup with their hair in their face. I've also changed the settings so that hopefully the focus is better. And if you hear little footsteps and things, there's a puppy playing in my room. Anyway, I'm just getting ready for my day. I've done all my skin prep. I'm so awkward today. I have work I need to do today. So I need to feel put together in order to do that. So I'm starting off with primer so that it lasts. Hopefully that was in focus. I don't know, I'm still figuring out the camera settings and all that. So I'm just gonna do a pump of that. I do actually like to spread it on my on my full face first before. I don't know, people tap it in, but I don't know if that does anything. Oh my gosh, people do this thing all the time and I want to do it. This is the foundation I'm using. The Revolution Conceal and Define in F1. I'm gonna put it on. I haven't used this in ages. I'm tempted to do that. I see people do it all the time, but I don't really think I want to. Well, okay. Holy shit, so much. I haven't worn foundation in ages. Wow. Okay. Let me know what you think of me using this camera instead of my normal. Unless you've never seen me before. That's so much. Also, for anyone wondering, I am a neutral undertone, so for any pale neutral people, this is a good cheaper foundation. Now my Australis Dewy and Darling bronzer in Summer Fling. I want to see if it focuses on it. No, it focuses on my face. Oh no. As long as I put it in front of my face, I'm fine. I also like restarted uploading on YouTube again. But I'm still debating if every like TikTok video I film, because I'm filming it on my camera, I can also put it on YouTube. Hello, focus. Why is the focus so dodgy? I'm then going to take the Australis, it's like a blush stick thing in Pixie Dream Girl. Actually, I like brushes. I recommend brushes when it comes to cream. Blush. Ooh, that's so much. And then taking the matching concealer to my foundation, the Conceal and Define in 0.5, which is the palest. I'm gonna look so pale today. That's okay, I guess. I haven't done like a full face in ages, so I'm like, I feel like I'm doing this all in the wrong order, but oh well. Charlotte Tilbury powder on a powder puff. And then on a brush, Body Shop bronzer. I don't know what it's called. In 01. This is what it looks like. Pretty sure there's only like 2 shades anyway. Kylie's Winter Kissed. I'm gonna go back to talking about my YouTube because why? There's no because. Oh man, I'm very tired today. Yeah, so if you don't know, I've had a YouTube channel since I was 12 years old. It was one of the first things I don't know, really wanted to do. As like most people probably wanted to, because like we grew up on YouTube. Anyway, I still have that YouTube channel, and I yesterday uploaded to it again for the first time in like a year. I don't know. Just for reference, I'm turning 21 soon, so 9 years I've had that. Elf brow lift. I feel so princessy today. I'm gonna go with it. Yeah. I need to concentrate for eyebrows. I'll be back. Anyway, back to my YouTube. It was something that I really used to enjoy doing, and I feel like TikTok is that thing for me now. Yeah. Also, oh, there's so much to unpack with that. Oh, this is the Essence Micro Precise. I feel like I see those TikTok videos of like, who cares, start a YouTube channel. But like, I started it when I was 12, and it's, you know, I felt embarrassed about it a lot of the time. I don't know. My eyebrows actually look good today. I'm gonna take my Pat McGrath palette, and I really want to use like this shade and just like these browns. I know, boring, but that's what I'm doing. I'm taking a fluffy brush and this one first. I'm trying to upload on YouTube again, even though like no one watches it, but it's always something I just did for myself, you know. No one needs to watch it, and yes, I maybe got made fun of a little bit, not a little bit, a lot of it for it. Maybe because of that I feel a bit like nervous about it, but I'm grown now, okay? I am grown and I can do something if it makes me happy. Anyways, I'm just like not sure what to upload, but I think my like new motto, because on TikTok I upload just whatever I want, because my TikTok is literally just, it's me, it's my life, it's my interests, it's whatever. And I think I'm gonna keep that same philosophy for my YouTube and just not think about it. I'm gonna try taking the like shimmery shade. Oh, I can show you what it actually looks like. Okay, can you see how it, whoa, it's raining. My flowers are gonna drown. Okay, I need it to focus on my hand. On my hand, please. How do I get you to do that? Not my face. My hand. Can you see how it like has scattered glitters in it? Do I need to go closer? Do you see that? I don't know if you can. I don't know. I'm still testing out the camera, as you can tell, but I'm gonna try and just put that everywhere because it's quite dark on me, so I don't really know what to do with it. So we're just gonna throw it on my eye. Wish I come really close, as you can see. This is not so flattering, but that's okay. Ah, I'm not even seeing. That's going all over my face. I'm gonna zoom you in because that's a lot easier for me. Such a pretty shade though, but I have just gotten a bunch of fallout on my cheek here. I don't know if you can see that. Why is the lighting odd? I'm gonna try and just flick that away, barely touching my face so that it doesn't go onto my face. Hello? Focus, you are atrocious. Gorgeous. I really hope you can see that. I never do makeup like this. I think it's the pearl headband that's affecting me. Or maybe it was like the Real Housewives that I watched this morning. I'm now gonna curl my lashes, put some mascara on. Don't know why I poked my tongue out then. This definitely makes me feel pretty. I kind of wish I had a like brown mascara to put in my waterline, but it's okay. Brown mascara? No, eyeliner. Okay, now lips. I'm gonna go in with this like cool toned lip liner from MAC, which I've had for years actually. And then I like to go in with this Revolution one just to blend that in to my lip. Gorgeous. And then we're taking Chanel Boy because it's a lovely cool tone and it will go with the eyes. How gorgeous. Oh, that is so pretty. It feels so pretty. I don't know what to do with my hair though. I feel like it needs to be up because of my neckline. I want to show you closer. Anyway, this is my makeup for today. I hope you somewhat enjoyed. Yeah, thanks for watching. Bye.